Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at this Acer Predator Vesta 2 RGB DDR5 RAM. This is 32 gigabytes of 6000 megahertz RAM. We'll have a look at the specs. We'll open it up so you can see what the RAM looks like itself. Then I'll come back to you once it's installed so we can see what kind of temperatures we're getting, as well as what the RGB looks like. Now, of course, if you are interested in this RAM, it is linked below in the description so you can pick it up for yourself or find more information. Let's go ahead and dive right into this Acer Predator Vesta 2 DDR5 RAM. So again, this is the Acer Predator Vesta 2 DDR5 RGB RAM. This is two sticks of 16 gigabytes in black, so it's a total of 32 gigabytes, and it's 6000 megahertz RAM. It does also say it's compatible with Asus AuraSync, MSI Mystic Light Sync, RGB Fusion 2.0 from Gigabyte, and ASRock's Polychrome Sync, so for the RGB control. And let's have a look at the back. And a couple things I want to point out here. It does support Intel and AMD motherboards for overclocking XMP 3.0 as well as AMD EXPO. And for clock cycles, it's CL32. Now this RAM comes in various sizes and frequencies. If you want to have a look at all the technical specs, you can pause it right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Really nice box there, Predator. So in the box, of course, you've got your instruction manual, installation instructions there, as well as your two sticks of DDR5 RAM. So again, this is two 16 gigabyte sticks of DDR5 RAM, the Vesta 2 RGB. Really sleek look to that, black with kind of a silver finish, the Predator logo on there. It says Predator on the top. So we'll have a look at this in a moment, what it looks like when the RGB is lit up. Really nice looking RAM. In the back of it there, that silver band comes right around. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed so we can see what kind of temperatures we're getting, as well as have a look at the RGB. So I got the RAM all installed on my PC, and when I started it up, the RGB started working right away. Looks really cool in there. There's lots of colors. It looks like it's got the rainbow effect going right now. Now in my BIOS, I turned on Intel's XMP overclocking, so we're running at 6000 megahertz. And over here in OCCT, just idling, I am recording here, we're getting 42.8 degrees Celsius at a load of 57.6%. Now, if I start up a 4K export here in DaVinci Resolve, we'll start that up and watch the temperatures here. So we're getting a little bit higher physical memory load. We're at 66%, and we'll watch the temperature here. Currently it's at 43.5 or 43.8. And it looks like we're topping out at a temperature of around 44.5 degrees. So great temperatures on this RAM. Let's go ahead and jump over to MSI's Mystic Sync and have a look at the RGB lighting on the RAM. So again, this RAM is compatible with Asus AuraSync. This is MSI Mystic Light Sync, RGB Fusion 2.0, as well as ASRock Polychrome Sync. So this will look slightly different depending on what kind of motherboard you have. We've got our RAM, it's selected right away, and it's currently on rainbow, but we can turn it off. If you don't want any lighting effects on the RAM, you can turn it fully off. So it'll turn off just like that. There's all sorts of options, marquee, let's select a color, hit apply, and you can go through various different looks, and it looks fantastic on that RAM. We've got breathing, we'll maybe select red and hit apply. If you want a steady color, that's no problem as well. And there's all these options here for you to choose from. Rainbow looks really good right now, so I'll switch it back to that. But the colors on the RAM are really nice. It's a really good looking RAM, and I'm really happy with it so far. And that's a quick look at the Acer Predator Vesta 2 RGB DDR5 RAM. Again, this is 32 gigabytes of 6000 megahertz RAM. This would be a great option if you're looking to do a PC build on either Intel or AMD, as the overclocking is compatible with both, and it's compatible with Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, and ASRock RGB software for controlling the lighting in the RAM. The RAM started working right away. It looks really slick with the black body and the metal band and the Predator details. It's definitely a great option to check out for your next PC build or upgrade. So hope this video gave you value. If it did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.